Hi, I'm Hope, November Delta to Lima, and welcome to HamRadio.World. So most of you have been watching the videos that we've been putting up lately about our new field go box that we have here. And now we're all ready to finish it up and put it together, so we're going to be telling you what is in it and how we're going to be doing it. So the box we'll be using is a Gator 4-rack unit rotomolded case. For the top shelf, we'll be using a Gator Raxis 1-unit shelf. For the tuner, it's an LDG AT100 Pro 2 tuner. For the ICOM speakers we'll be using, we have it mounted on a 3/4 inch aluminum L bracket. And we painted it purple where it can be seen here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but we're thinking about selling these actually as the go boxes, and we're thinking that our trademark should be something small purple in it. Also, it's my favorite color. Anyway, for the L bracket, it was a little too short to have it on, so we had to put something called a starboard. I believe that would be in one of the videos we made when we were at our friend Ridge's house. And to make it look better, we just put some gaff tape to make it black. And so that's the top shelf. They're all mounted, but it's upside down to where it would be in here. So for the jumpers that we're using, we are using the Messine Poloni coax, and we're gonna probably make a video sometime about how to put these particular connectors onto the HyperFlex 5. We have the ground wire going to the common ground bus, and then these ones come over here to the radio and all that. And then we have the things just mounted down with some holes, some that were already there, some that we drilled, but just that they can stay in place. Okay, so now we've gotten the top shelf screwed in, and now we're going to show you what's on the bottom shelf. Then we'll screw it in. The big radio is an ICOM 7300. We have an ICOM ID 4100, which I won at Dayton this year. For the rig runner, we have a West Mountain Radio rig runner 4005, more ground wires, more coax, and we also have a Silvertip Antennas band plan, one of the mini ones, that we just keep it in here because they're good for portable things. They're some friends of ours. And this can fit in between here or in between here when it's installed. Sorry. So we'll put this in and then we'll show you after we're done. Okay, so now we finished up with putting the screws in and all. So for the bottom shelf, I forgot to mention before, for the headphones, usually during contest or something, we have multiple people there, one for the logging and one for the radio. So with this adapter we have, and it's tied down in there, but it's for multiple headsets, and Daddy also has an adapter so that during contests or something when we want to make a video, it's a lot easier just to have an adapter and a wire to the camera instead of holding headphones on the camera like, I don't know. But anyway, this will help us with that. We still need a way to hang up the mics. If we could find some screw or something, I don't know, we'll figure it out. The thing I talked about here, the band plan, it can fit here. So it's just a good place to store it. And now we'll turn it around so we can show you the back. Okay, so we've got it turned around. First thing I'm going to show you is the common ground bus. We're just screwing it in with 2 screws that matched up to here. And I'll just screw this in. So basically what this does is much like our other one, if you have seen our old one that we sold. It'll just be the ground. So we've made all of these wires so that they can reach to this point. So now I got that installed. The next thing I'll show you is the input-output bus. This is something that we made just from the Anderson power pole connectors. This is a fairly weatherproof thing. So this is on this panel. Like, I'm not sure how far back this was, but if you look back at some of our old videos in the Go Box that we sold, we had created something where we drill holes into a board thing just like this, and we made the connectors go onto it. So we found this design works really well, so we're doing it with this one as well. So I'll install this. It also has the SO239 connectors that'll go onto this. So I'll just start to install it. So this one goes to the 4100. The next one I'll screw in the middle is to antenna 1, this one. And the next one is for antenna 2. I'll go ahead and tighten it, this one. This uses a 19 millimeter for right here to tighten this. Then I'll just screw this in. Okay. The next step would be to ground all of the ground wires. So now we'll ground these to the bus. We've already soldered the tips so that it would be easier. Thanks very much. So next we're going to plug in all these different things. For the rig runner, we've already color-coded them. We've got the orangey to the orange and the yellow to the yellow. Okay, then this will go to the speakers back here, or speaker outlet. This goes to the radio. This goes here, and this goes here. Okay, so that's basically it for today. Tomorrow we're going to be starting up a new VHF UHF go box, so keep watching. 73.